All right, for this series, we're going to lie on our side. I will do the first set, right and left, with you, and then you can simply repeat the video 3 times. So we're going to go ahead and lie down here on our side, and I'd like you to place your left hand here, palm down on the floor, and you're going to bend your bottom knee in. This will relieve some pressure on the hip. This hand here is going to go right on top of the thigh. Now this is a side bend. You're going to simply just reach the fingertips towards the knee, lifting the chest slightly, and you actually activate the triceps, lifting the ribs, and then rest everything back down. Exhale, lift up, side bend, reach, fingertips towards the knee, shoulders are down, and rest. And exhale, lift up, reach, and rest back down, and exhale. Lift up and reach, good, and back down, and again, side bend, lift up, reach, you should feel right here in the waistline, and back down, last one, lifting up, reach, and back down. So now just bring both knees in for a moment. You're going to bend this bottom elbow underneath your cheek here to keep your head in line with your spine. And now we're going to extend the top leg out for leg circles. You can keep this hand in front, kind of like a kickstand to help you with your balance. So from here, just do little circles with your leg going in one direction. I recommend doing 20 just to really start to feel it in the hip. You want to make sure the hips stay stacked, one on top of the other, just rotating around. And actually smaller is better in this exercise, just little small circles going around, circle, circle. You'll start to feel it all the way up into the hip joint here. And now go ahead and reverse. Opposite direction, circle. Good, keep going, circle, circle, circle. Keep reaching the fingertips down here towards you, and then your toes away from you. Circle, and 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So that's the leg circle there. Now from here, the side kicks. You're simply going to keep the bottom knee bent, extend the top leg out in front of you, and then do little pulses right up towards the ceiling. 20 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, and then take a little rest there. You'll feel it burning there right in the hip a little bit. And then we're going to come up and do the other side. So let's turn around here and lie down, starting first with the side bends. Bottom knee is bent, this hand is flat down, leg is extended, and hand is up on the thigh. So here we take our breath in to prepare, and then exhale. Side bend, reach the fingertips towards the knee, and rest back down. Exhale, side bend, lifting. Remember, we're focusing here also on the tricep too, and back down. Exhale, lift up, and back down. Reach those fingertips away from you, lift, and back down. Lift and back down, and one more time, lift on up and back down. Great. So now bend that elbow underneath your cheek here. Bend both knees in for a moment just to rest the thigh, and now extend. Top leg goes out and leg circles. Circle, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now reverse. Circle, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. 8, 9, 10, and 10, 9. Feeling that hip. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Rest that leg. And then the last one, the side kicks here. Again, place that hand flat in front of you for your balance and extend that leg out in front and little pulses. It's important. It's at 90 degrees. Pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. And then rest there. Relax those hips. Very nice.